Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Putla. Hope you're all doing good. Here we are with another interesting video which is on iPhone 14. చూసారు కదా ఎంత క్యూట్ అండ్ ప్రిటీగా ఉందో. ఇది మా రీసెంట్ పర్చేస్. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇది నాకు మా హస్బెండ్ ప్రెజెంట్ చేశారు. కమింగ్ టు ద డీటెయిల్స్, ఇది మేము ఈ ఇయర్ బిగ్ బిలియన్ సేల్స్లో తీసుకున్నాము. ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 56,000 పడింది. యాక్చువల్ ప్రైస్ మార్కెట్లో మనకి 69,900కి వస్తుంది. సో వీ థాట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ గుడ్ డీల్. సో పర్చేస్ చేసాము. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ సూపర్ ఎక్సైటెడ్ టు షేర్ యూ ఆల్ అబౌట్ దిస్ మై న్యూ ఫోన్. So let's explore a bit further on this iPhone 14. Let's get started. First things first, let's get into some basic information. This phone has a screen size of 6.1 inch with internal storage of 128 GB along with 6 GB RAM. It also has camera system of 12 megapixels both for the front and rear cameras. So now here is a question. Is it worth buying iPhone 14? If you ask me, I would definitely say yes. Because if you see, it has a powerful A15 Bionic chip, a gorgeous Super Retina XDR display, an impressive camera with IP68 water resistance and 5G support, and its slew of many other features on top of Apple's excellent iOS operating system. Coming to the next question. What is the speciality in this iPhone 14? It has a 5nm Apple design system on a A15 Bionic chip, which has a powerhouse with 5-core GPU. And this 5-core GPU enables smoother graphics for video apps and high-performance gaming. Last but not the least, what can iPhone 14 do differently from other iPhones? Yes, here comes the interesting points. iPhone 14 includes new sensor for car crash detection, and it also has a photo processing method called photonic engine, which helps in improving mid to low light performance for photo access of all cameras compared to previous generations, and it also water resistant. According to Apple, these iPhones are IP68 under IEC standard 60529. This means they can be submerged in 6 meters of water, and they are even dust resistant. So finally, hope we delivered the basic useful information about iPhone 14. Hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Putla. Have a nice day. See you all in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.